Welcome back. Talwalkars is a stock which is on our radar right now. The company yesterday opened 10 gyms in partnership with Power World Gyms. To talk more about it, we're now joined by Mr. Anant Gawande, the CFO and the whole-time director. Good morning, Anant, and thanks so much for joining in, and congratulations. You've indicated that the total investment in the 10 gyms is 18 to 20 crore. What is the return that you expect, say, in the next 1 year?
Good morning, Rima and Lata. We expect that the ROC on these gyms will be significantly more than what we were doing earlier. So my own guesstimate is that we will do about 26-27% on capital employed in these gyms. We opened 10 gyms on one day, which is a record, and I don't think we have opened on a singular day at least 10 gyms. This quarter till now we opened in excess of 16 gyms, including a new gym at Patna and several other gyms across India. We believe that we will follow it up in the next 2 or 3 weeks up to 31st March with at least another 8 to 10 more gyms. This is in line with what I had discussed in my last interview with your channel, that we are back in capex mode and we wish to aggressively now expand the gyms which we are having in India and Sri Lanka both.
You said this ROC in Sri Lanka is higher.
That's right.
So what's the expansion plan in Sri Lanka?
The modern method which we adopted in Sri Lanka, Power World Gym is the biggest gym chain in Sri Lanka.
Yes, you said that.
And their gyms are a little smaller than ours, about 3,800 square feet. We have been able to do a combination of equity, equipment and other things, by which we have been able to extract and derive a higher capital employed. The rents are also lower in Sri Lanka as compared to India. So the return, the EBITDA margin, for example, is presently for the gyms which are matured about 53%. So obviously that is going to give me a higher ROC on an ongoing basis for the Sri Lankan operation.
Okay, right now, Anant, you have a 49.5% stake in this joint venture. Considering that the return on capital is so attractive, will you look to increase your stake in this joint venture?
Actually, we do have an alternative of going to 51%.
But that's not much. 49.5%.
That's not much presently, but the present owner, Mr. Talavu, who is our partner in Sri Lanka, he is extremely actively involved in the gymming business. I think the idea would be to go on increasing our equity as we expand in Sri Lanka.
Fair enough.
We think that by 2018, if not earlier, Sri Lanka could contribute as much as 12 to 14% of my bottom line, maybe a little more.
And this is all in Colombo or several cities?
Mostly in Colombo, but what has happened, there is a new expressway by which earlier to go to Gale used to take about 3.5 hours to now go in about 1 hour.
Oh.
So Sri Lanka also is, expanding quite rapidly since the end of their problems there.
Okay.
And we see all that happening around us there.
All right, but I hope that country doesn't lose its green charm. It's such a beautiful country. Thank you very much. Thank you, Anant. Thank you, Anant, for joining us. Okay, quick break. We are back with more.